So I'm using Midwest now, I'm looking at him to see if there's any wet spots. So you just hang back a little bit. Being behind is bad sometimes because you don't get all the traction, but sometimes it is good. Plenty of traction. Tell you what, his riding's come on so much. This new 300 has changed him. It shows that he always had this talent, but changing his bike has changed his confidence, and that's made him a total different rider.
I didn't want to carry on anyway.
Ladies and gentlemen, I take back every single word I just said.
Well, you just bigging me up?
Massively.
I'm not even recording.
I can't believe you did that just as I was bigging you up. I think it was a long crash.
It just started the front end.
I love days like this. I better not say anything more about him. You want, as you go down the dip, compress and power at the same time.
That logs, dude.
You need to go fast over that. Oh, not a great start. Nice. There's an alternative line because it's not too big. Just compress my body into the bike kind of thing, just to get the grip where you're going to put the power on. Otherwise, if you spin, it's not great for business.
No?
Yeah, you will. 4 strokes cure snow. Fast. Oh, we're in bad position behind him. Whoa, look at the snow up here. Let's go this way. I've never been down here. Wow. I can't believe how much is snowing, guys.
Mate, I nearly died.
This
I was
is
spinning it through the bog and it caught tracks at the wrong time. Hey, look at this.
It's amazing. It's absolutely pissing it down. Full disclosure, I don't know what's this way.
My eyes wasn't focused.
I can see trees down already. What's going on? Just chuck it down. I think we're alright following Midwest. It's a bit soft, so I'm leaning back a fair bit. Let's get out of his line. Oh, it looks all wintry all of a sudden. It was epic sun about an hour ago, now it's bloody snowing. Whatever you want, mate. You can hop it, yeah. If you bounce to the right, it'd be better.
Huh?
Just try and stay out the rut, I would. Just like that. Well done, Midwest. Sorry. I just wanted to tap you. I had no idea you'd be going that fast.
Oh, it was you?
Yeah, I grabbed his handlebar. Sorry, guys. You went faster than I thought. I probably hurt your hand a bit.
What's happened to him today? Danger man.
Oh, a bit of space! Yeah, boy! My fault. I should know by now. Yeah.
Did we get to a dead end then? Oh, that was in the snow.
Oh, nice. Oh, I should have gone there. I'm going to go through here. Try and carry it some up. That's it. Keep going up. Keep going up. Come on, 4-stroke. Oh, yeah. Same again, please, 4-stroke. Up we go. So I'm sitting down here with my weight over the back. No vigorous movements. Letting the bike jerk its way through. The bike's just pulling me here. Chug, 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 chug. Oh, we're going to be the first to make it. Yeah! Woohoo! Shirko wins the day. Do I go back down? Maybe, yeah, I'll go back down. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed my last couple of videos. We will be doing more racing this year, if COVID allows it. A bit on this bike and the KXF. Let me know if you'd like to see some motocross. I've got a private hire tomorrow, so I'll be doing some filming and see if we can make a video about the 450. I guess I better go find where they are. I'm amazed at the grip this thing's got, the sheer just gruntiness of the power. Oh, I see a light. The horse Ralphie! Yeah, boy! Nice one! Nice one!
Hey, this tyre's sick.
Hard Enduro! I don't think he's far behind though.
Hey, Midwest!
Oh!
Enduro!
Yoo-hoo-hoo!
Hey!
The track's just there. This is what I love to see, everyone just spreading out, getting their own lines in. Whoa! Pipe down? I'm gonna...
Bigger brake lever, I think.
Nice.
Mine's bent in.
You're comfy with it now?
No, not today. All over the place.
Let's go.
There it is.
Yeah. I must admit, first gear on this is a lot taller. It's about 1.5 on the old TPIs. So there's a bit more clutch control needed in this very hard enduro circumstance. Hard enduro! Oh, well you stalled it like that. That's it. Look at Ralphie on his pegs. Excellent. As I said that, he sat down. First gear is so tall on this, like I was saying on camera, I reckon it's like 1.5.
Yeah, but first on mine is completely useless.
Is it? You never in first?
You've got gear in as well, haven't you?
What gear are you in then, coming across here?
Second.
Really?
I was first up there, but it was too revving.
It spins then, yeah.
Yeah, first really good. When you go up gearing, first. Really
This is
good, like
what goes on behind the scenes of the camera.
Really slow, isn't it?
We talk about gear ratios.
I haven't changed mine, but only one top.
Oh, mine's standard. The old Shirko, standard as hell. I think it's the blue rims. That's what makes it work. Oh, she's got grip! I've had to take my goggles off. I hate riding without goggles. Now then, what's going on here? Right around that. Jump. Turn left. You. Enduro. Ooh. I guess you're blowing. Right, this section, I quite like this section. It's very moist. Come on, TPI. TPI, mate. We're going to follow, but not too close. And then we can smash it by it. Oh, where's he going? There's a rut somewhere here. Gotta stay on the rut because it is deep. Full aggression. Uh-oh. Look at that playful so-and-so. Yeah, boy. Zigzag. I'm going across all these ruts so you don't fall into them. It's the best way to do it. Oh, that's deep. See if I was going straight there. Oh, I'm looking. Just zigzag. Zigzag. So, the theory behind the zigzag is if you hit a rut like this, you're going to fall into it, but if you hit it 45, you go straight over it. Oh, you look, mate, you look way cleaner than I thought you'd look.
I went in the woods.
Yeah, but I tried to roost you. Wild! I'd love to see you with some Red Bull inside you.
That's
Oh my god, look at the bloody snow coming down. This is mad. What else is mad is Midwest has gone first, leading the charge. That's good tactics as well. You see a big bog and you can go around it, go around it. No point making things harder for yourself. Just like he's done there, well done. Basically we're in a race in this hill farm here, which is an absolute pig. So the first one up there is usually the best, get the best traction. Come on, baby. Keep that traction going. All my weight is on the back tyre. Trying not to dab. When you dab, you de-weight the rear tyre. Like we're just cruising up here now. I wonder how the two strokes will get out. On your legs. Now we've made it. Wow! Looks amazing. Gotta take a picture of that. You're so joyful to be around. Look what you've done, you made it snow.